Hello again, my 7th graders. I just want to give you another video to show you how to do this assignment, which is how to complete and fill out a PowerPoint and send it back. So again, you'll see the assignment instructions in your assignments and homework channel, and then you'll go up to your general section where you will be able to pull up the practice PowerPoint assignment. So again, I've got to go into a practice one, which is right here. You're going to click on View the Assignment. Then a screen similar to the Word document will come up, and it gives you instructions. Fill in the last slide, number 4, with descriptions and pictures. Close and then turn in. So what you'll do is obviously you're going to click on this PowerPoint. And if any of you haven't seen or don't know what a PowerPoint is a presentation that consists of several slides. So there are 3 slides for you to read through right here. So there's the first one, the second one, the third one. The 4th one is the one that you're going to fill in. So the basic question is, how did you adapt during this pandemic? So that's what we learn a lot about in social studies, how human beings adapt to the changes that go on around them. So I've given an example here in ways that I adapted. I provided pictures. So you then, in turn, are going to do the same exact thing on slide number 4. So on slide number 4, and again, read through the directions a little bit more than I'm going through with you right now. You're going to click where it says to add text, and that's where you're going to give your description or talk about what you did to adapt. You're going to do one in this box and then a different one in this box. Then you will provide a picture to kind of illustrate what you have just described. So there are many ways that you can get pictures. You might be familiar with how to do this. I'm going to show you a really easy way. You can go on to Google Images. You can plug in the topic or what type of picture you are looking for. So say I wanted to talk about how I started dancing while I was in quarantine. So I can pick whatever picture I want. I'm going to right click on it. This will come up, and I'm going to go ahead and I want to copy the image. Then I'm going to go back into my PowerPoint, and I'm going to click in there. I'm going to do a right click, and I'm going to paste the picture in there. Once my picture's in there, I can manipulate it. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can move it around. So this is what you're going to do to complete your assignment. Again, you're going to do the close up at the top when you are done. So that's kind of like saving it. And then you need to officially turn it into me so that I can see it. So again, good luck, and please email me, chat me, if you have any questions about any of this. And I look forward to seeing all of these.